I'm Hewlett Smith, and this is my colleague Mike Price. We're both occupational therapists and the co-founders of Rehab Mart, and we're here today to show you how easy it is to assemble the Med-Mizer AllCare low bed. It's called the floor bed or low bed essentially because it can be set up in either position, and we're here to show you those two different positions. What we've done first is we've already put together the headboard, and we put in just the 2 bolts here. So here's the headboard, here's the one half of the bed frame here, and here's the second half of the bed frame here, and this is the footboard with the foot plate. And you can see the manufacturer has already put feet for the footboard, so you just line feet up with feet, and on the other side you line the head up with the head. The icons are really easy to see, and you just stick in 2 bolts and you've got this side set up. In the intended position, you just set it up just like that. And this is really the position that we believe that most families and facilities will want to set the bed up in. So with 2 people, we literally bring this up, and we can bring this up. Yeah, we want to make sure that those
my bolts on?
All right. And my bolt's on. Then we want to flip it to the side, so I guess Mike would roll it this way. We want to make sure the casters are locked. So we've tightened all of the 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we've turned the bed on its side, Mike and I have, and now it's just time to connect the 4 wired connectors. They're all color coded. And then we take this connector here, we line these up with this. And then we take this over here, which is yellow wire, we run it through here. Actually, I see the divot here. So that's going to line up with the little divot here, and this just goes in. And then Mike has the little clamp. And put this other side in, clip it in. Is it clipped in? It is here and here. So we're good. Take this one through, it's yellow as well. And we see the divot here and the divot here. So pull it in. Mike, 1, 2, 3. Mike, this is where we start in the complete floor bed position, which is about 3.5 inches from the floor. And now I'm going to start raising and show we're going from 3.5 inches. We're talking about the bed frame being 3.5 inches from the floor. And we're going to lift the bed all the way up to about 27 inches from the floor. This is an interesting piece. This is the headboard, and they're interchangeable. Mike's got the footboard or the headboard, doesn't really matter. And you come up here, the screws are already adjusted to the right height, and they're on. And you slide it down. This is now the footboard. Footboard actually goes on the outside where the headboard is on the inside. So before we put the mattress on top, we want to set the width of the bed. The great thing about this bed is that it has the evac position. So you can actually push in these little pins, and you can pull this out to a bariatric position. It's toolless. You just push in the pins, push it all the way in, and all the way in on both sides. This side's all the way in, this side's all the way in. You actually come down to a width of 29.25 inches. But if you actually push in the pins and come out to the mid position, you actually get a width of 35.25 inches. Now you pull this out to the bariatric position. Again, toolless, just push in the pins, pull out. Now we have a full bariatric width of right at 41.5 inches. The nice thing is that all 4 sections of the bed do the same thing. You can adjust to the narrow position, the mid position, which is about 35 inches, or the full width. So here's the mattress.